Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
I need the game title before giving a precise item route and strategy. Tell me which game you mean so I can give exact steps. Also tell me your platform like PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch. If you want a truly easy method, I will focus on low-risk routes and required items. I will assume no prior spoilers and give straightforward directions, checkpoints, and vendor info. Confirm the game and platform, and when you confirm the game, I will give a simple 3-step route with checkpoints and NPC names. I will include exact locations, required items, and estimated times for each action. I will list vendors, chest counts, or enemy drops and their typical drop chances when available. I will warn about common traps and offer a safe fallback route to retry. I will keep directions concise so you can follow them quickly in one session. Reply with the game name and platform, and I will deliver the full steps for the easy method. Expect clear stepwise actions, required items, and safe quick routes you can complete in one play session. I will optimize the guide for a low time cost and minimal risk, aiming for an easy run under 15 minutes when possible. After you confirm, I will send the exact route, NPC interactions, and any farming tips if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.